Okay, I am on my way to go to another town where my son's working on some electrical stuff, and then we're going to get some 1x10, so I won't have this on while I'm on the road, but anyhow, I'm bringing you along so you can see us harvesting or collecting some wood that would have been going to the dump. See you in a little bit. Okay, I'm back again. We're on a 4-lane now, and it's all clear. I was worried about, we had a little bit of snow last night, and I was worried that it was going to be slippery. Anyhow, what I started to say, or what I was going to say, is I'm going over to where my son's doing some wiring for a friend, and I guess there's some 1x10s there, and I'd like to use them for shelving, and I'm never going to pass up some free wood for projects. Anyhow, I'm going to show you when we get there. Apparently there's a pile of stuff that they want to throw out, some pallets, and going to get some wood. I have tore apart an old camper that my father-in-law bought my youngest son for a playhouse. He never played in it, and it's had some water leaks, and my oldest son came over and we took out a bunch of wood out of that. We got plywood, and we got some 1x, which I've used on some other projects earlier. But as soon as my husband gets his gardening stuff out of there, there are a bunch of windows on the outside that I want to take off because I want to do a greenhouse. A few weeks ago, my oldest son came over and we took all the storm windows off the old house because it needs to be torn down, and I want to use them on the greenhouse as well. So all I'll have to buy is probably some 4x4s, posts, some roofing material. I got the screen door off the old house so we can use it for the door, and just projects. Right now it's too cold. Let's see if I can show you. Here it is. Snow, not much, but enough to make the road slippery, and it's cold. It is super cold out. So anyhow, I will show you, turn this back on once I get there and show you what he says there is there. I guess we'll find out. Well, I'm back home. I was going to take some more videos while we were getting this wood. A lot of this wood is 1x6s, 1x8s, 1x10s off of pallets. There's a podium there. Not that I need a podium, but I like the centerpiece, and the top can come off and be used for a different project, and it has a light on it. Let's see if I can show you. I got a whole truckload of 1x lumber that will work great for some of my projects. And on top of that, I'll show you in the truck. If you can see, I got some craft items because it was from an art studio. I got paints. Let's see if I can show you in there. No, there's some tempered paints I was going to take to the local nursing home. A big roll of paper. Let's see if we can see more on the other side of the truck. Some more shorter pieces of wood, more paint, craft paint, and some different things. I don't know what I got in there, but it made a noise. Anywho, just a bunch of things. If I don't use it, I can either take it to the auction, or like I said, the paint I'm going to take to the local nursing home. See the light on this podium? It can come off and I can use it for something else. But for $21 worth of gas, I didn't think that was too bad. I would have took some more videos while I was there, except I only went out twice because this stuff was in the building. Thank goodness, because it's too cold. And the second time I come out, it was snowing like crazy, and it was an hour from my house. So anywho, I will get you some more videos of these projects when I get them going. I want you to see just how much wood I got out of that building. There's some more stacked over here. I didn't want it out in my shed so that I could get to it. And I actually got some things I'm going to take to the nursing home. If you can see them, you color these in and they make little boxes, plus some baskets and fans, some paint. See if I can show you in there. There you go. I'm real pleased, and like I said, I need to get this wood all done up, and I'm going to show you I'm going to make a video of making a shelf for my sewing room.